The renders of the Realme GT Neo5 have leaked online. This and more in today's episode. Hello and welcome to a fresh new episode of Daily Fiber. I'm your host Aman Rashid, and before we get on with the rest of the episode, consider hitting that red subscribe button for detailed tech videos and also turn on the bell so that you don't miss any of our latest updates. With that said, let's get started. The next phone in the Realme GT Neo series that's reportedly in the works is the Realme GT Neo5. So on your screens right now you can see the leaked render of the Realme GT Neo5. As you can see, there's a black rectangular camera island. There are two large lenses, and it is also believed that the main camera could reportedly be the 108 megapixel sensor that we recently saw on the Realme 10 Pro series. Now, other reports are also suggesting that the GT Neo 5 could come in two different variants. So one variant will have a 4600 mAh battery with 240 watt fast charging, while the other variant could have a 5000 mAh battery along with 150 watt fast charging. So first look at the renders, it looks very cool. The white color is very classy. And I also see that this rear panel is a complete redesign from the GT Neo 3. But of course, since this is a leaked render and nothing is official, I would suggest take this whole information with a huge grain of salt. OnePlus has officially announced the OnePlus 10T Marvel Edition. Now, for those eager fans who want to get this special edition 10T, do note that the phone is not redesigned in this special edition, but instead you are getting a range of goodies if you purchase this special edition Marvel box. So of course you're getting a Black Panther styled stand, there's an Iron Man cover, there's a Captain America pop socket, and that's about it. So Marvel fans who want to get this 10T Marvel Edition box, well, you can purchase it between 17 to 19 December. You can also, the listing is live on the Disney India page. And the cost of the phone will be 58,999 rupees, as this is the top of the line variant of the OnePlus 10T, 16GB RAM in Moonstone black color. Also, if you're a Red Cable Club member, then you can get an additional 3,000 rupees off. So in that case, the Marvel Edition box will cost you 55,999 rupees. So all in all, if you are a big fan of Marvel, if you're a fan of OnePlus, then definitely you can't miss out on this. But do note that the numbers are very limited. These will be available in limited numbers. So be sure to be there at the right time when the sale hits. Do note the date is 17th December. Samsung is reportedly planning to launch two new smartphones in the coming weeks in India, and according to the report, these phones could be the Galaxy A04 and the Galaxy A04e. So if the launch does happen, then the prices of these phones could be sub 10,000 rupees. So under 10,000 rupees are the prices that we are looking at. Now, in terms of specifications, it is believed that if these phones do launch, then the specs could be the same as the global variants. So for those who don't know, the global variant of the Galaxy A04 features an HD Plus screen. There's an Exynos 850 processor. There's a 50 megapixel dual rear camera system. There's a 5 megapixel front camera along with a 5000 mAh battery. Now the Galaxy A04e is a trimmed down version of the Galaxy A04, and the only major difference between the two phones is that the A04e features a 30 megapixel main camera in place of the 50 megapixel main camera of the Galaxy A04. But again, we are yet to get any official confirmation from Samsung yet. So whenever I get to know about these phones and the launch cycle of these phones in India, you'll be the first one to know from me. The EU has passed a new law for tech companies like Apple, and if Apple does comply with this new law, then we might soon see third-party app stores on an iPhone. So as you all know that unlike Android, the only way to get apps on an iPhone is via the App Store. And we also know that Apple charges a hefty 30% commission from developers in the name of Apple tax. And if something like this does come out to be true, a third-party app store on an iPhone, then this could be a sigh of relief for developers. I mean, for example, it is reported that Samsung does not charge developers for in-app purchases on the Galaxy Store. So again, as I said, it could be a huge sigh of relief for developers if third-party app stores are allowed on the iPhone. Now, Apple does have time to debate and comply with the order until March of 2024. But most importantly, what do you think? Should Apple allow third-party app stores on the iPhone, or the App Store is the best according to you? I mean, in terms of the security and privacy of the user, the App Store is the best, and it is also all right for Apple to charge this 30% tax from the developers in the name of in-app purchases. So what are your thoughts? Let me know everything in the comments. So yesterday I got you guys a super budget deal on a sub 10,000 rupees smartphone. That was the Redmi 10A for about 8,000 rupees, about 7,200 actually with all the offers and discounts. And today I've got an even better budget smartphone deal. Well, I'm talking about the Redmi A1, which usually retails for about 9,000 rupees, but in today's Amazon special sale, well, it is going for about 6,000 rupees, 5,999 to be exact. And this is a killer deal. And of course, if you have a Kotak card or a Federal Bank card, then you can avail a further 10% instant discount. And the final price with all these deals and offers of the Redmi A1 would be about 5,600 rupees. And this kind of deal for a phone like this is a steal. I mean, you are getting a dual camera, you're getting a leather texture design, you're getting a 5000 mAh battery, and the most important part, you're getting clean Android Go software. So for 5,600 rupees, the Redmi A1 is a steal, and it's a deal that you just can't miss. And with that, we have reached the end of this episode. So what are your thoughts on today's episode of Daily Fiber, and what are your thoughts on that special edition Marvel OnePlus 10T? Let me know everything in the comments below. And as always, for all the latest in tech, stay tuned to Fiber. I'll catch you all in a fresh new episode tomorrow. Till then, take care of yourself, and thank you for watching.